Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fried rice like Din Tai Fung. First, the foundation, your rice. For that signature fluffy texture, always use day-old chilled rice, about 200 grams per serving. Gently separate the grains by hand before cooking to ensure each one fries perfectly. Next, prepare your eggs. Whisk 2 to 4 large eggs with a small pinch of salt and white pepper, setting them aside for later. This careful preparation is key to achieving restaurant-quality results. Now let's cook our protein and aromatics. Marinate about 8 to 10 medium shrimp with a pinch of salt, white pepper, and a tiny bit of baking soda for a tender bite. Cook them in a hot wok with 1 tablespoon of neutral oil for about 2 minutes until just 80% done, then set them aside. In the same pan, add the white parts of 2 finely chopped green onions, sautéing them for about 30 seconds until fragrant. This is where the magic happens. Add the whisked eggs to your hot wok, letting them partially set for about 30 seconds. Immediately add your prepared rice, stirring constantly to break up the eggs into small curds and coat each grain. Maintain high heat. Season with about 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of white pepper. Continue stir-frying for 2 to 3 minutes until the rice is dry and separated. For the grand finale, return your cooked shrimp to the wok. Add the vibrant green parts of 2 chopped green onions. Give everything a final vigorous toss for about 1 minute, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and heated through. The goal is a fluffy, fragrant fried rice with distinct grains. Serve your delicious fried rice immediately, perhaps molded into a classic dome shape for that authentic restaurant presentation. Enjoy your homemade Din Tai Fung experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.